So now I'm going off-road for 6 miles. As you can see, I'm gonna put it on FSD and see if it's gonna work or not. So I'm gonna try 3 things: off-road, FSD, and also I'm gonna toggle here off-road. It's in driving, off-road assistance. So for now, let me put it on FSD and see. We're going to a place. It's in the desert, as you can see. It's actually rougher inside. So let me put it on FSD and see if it's gonna work off-road or not. It's only one road though. So, okay. It's not working great. The road is very bumpy, as you can see. And honestly, I'm not sure if this is good or bad. You can tell me in the comments below. I contacted several people. Some people said, yes, you can go off-road in the car. Some people said it's not good. So I'm gonna try it. I didn't want to rent another car. Okay. So FSD so far is working. It's bumpy right here. In fact, it's tougher out there. In 3 miles, it's gonna get tougher. So we'll see. Okay. If I increase the speed, as you can see, the car gets very loud. Okay. I drove this road before, and of course a different car, and I remember I had to take it like fast, or the speed was like around like 30ish, and it was better. So it's steady. FSD is steady so far. Okay. And you may be wondering how come FSD is working, because this is only one road. So it's tracking the road. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna drive another mile or 2 like this, and then I'm gonna toggle off-road assistance. I'm gonna toggle it on in a mile or 2. I just want to see how it is without it and how it is with it. Okay, it's very bumpy, as you can see. I hope it's not annoying for you guys, because it's kind of loud here. I'm talking about the noise of the car itself. Okay. This is not that bad. So let me... Okay. This is better than last time that I came here, but it's still stuff, as you can see and you can hear. And by the way, I have the 19-inch normal wheels, the regular wheels that came with the car. I got the 19-inch. I did not get the 20 or 21-inch. So relatively, it doesn't drift. In my other car, it used to drift a lot. This is, of course, way better. Yeah. So So I drove kind of 2 or 3 miles without the off-road assistance. So now I'm gonna stop the car and get the off-road assistance on. So let me stop it here, and then I'm gonna go here. Let me toggle it on. Driving, off-road assistance. It's enabled right now. Let me drive back and see how it drifts and traction and everything. Wow. No, there is a big difference. There is a big difference. Even though it's bumpy, but now I don't actually feel it. I would say it's like more stable though. It's more stable on the road. Let's see. This is very stable. I've never tried it this way. I even remember like I came here in a big bus before and it was very, very bumpy. So it doesn't drift, even though there is like another road right there. It did not take it. Let me increase the speed a little bit to see. This is good. This is good. Wow. No, the off-road assistance I think is better, but in both ways this is good. So I don't know, like somebody said this is not good for the engine. Somebody else said no, it's okay. They're definitely, the car is not designed to go off-road. I'm not going like for that long. It's just like a few miles, and it's only like I got the car back in April. Since then, this is my first off-road. It's not a trip, but this is the first time that I take this off-road. Okay. But I can tell you, it's steady. It is steady so far. And I'm so sorry, it may get loud. But, yeah. So, right. Okay. Very good. No drifting. Yeah. So this is good. So as I was telling you, like I contacted many people. Definitely this is not the car for it. I don't have the right tires. But some people said, you know what, like if it's not that long, it's okay. You can take this off-road. I mean, take the car off-road. Some other people said no. So I decided to try, since I didn't want to rent another car. So you can see it's the desert. So in a few minutes we're gonna be there. I hope the noise is not that loud for you guys. Let me actually see how the car is gonna do it right here. It's not that bad. Okay, not that bad. Okay, so the car is trying to map out the road, which I understand why it's going like that. Wow. No, this is good. This is not that bad. So, of course, I'd like to know what do you guys think about this. I hope what I'm doing right now is right. But again, I'm not gonna drive like 20-ish or 30-ish miles off-road. It's just like a few miles, 5 to 6 miles each way. So like 12 miles total. So let me know in the comments below in the video if this is safe, if this is good, it's not that bad, or if it's bad, let me know what I should do. Definitely, I understand I should have bought like other tires, but I'm not gonna buy it for like a short trip like this if it's not gonna hurt the car. So let's see, we're almost there. Less than a mile. So let me increase the speed a little bit and see how the car does it. Wow, this is actually more stable. So the more you increase the speed, the more stable it gets. But the car is somehow, like, as you can see right here, it says like 46, but still it's on 35. Because I think the car detects this is the safest. Okay, now it's getting to 39. So, okay, still slowing down. I think the car understands. So I think we're almost there. The car is avoiding something in the middle of the road. There you go. So we're by the gate right there. So I'm gonna take over. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now we're gonna have like a regular road, but this was like tough. So like maybe like 5 to 6 miles. So anyway, let me know in the comments below if what do you guys think about the off-road assistance, without it, the FSD on the off-road trip, and also if this is safe or not, or what I should have done, what I should be doing, or how I should have changed my driving habits. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the video, and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.